Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products for your home and garden needs. Today, we're diving into one of the best battery-operated leaf blowers on the market, the JAGROM Cordless Leaf Blower. If you've been looking for a powerful, lightweight, and easy-to-use solution for your yard maintenance, this might just be the perfect match. First, let's talk about the power behind this blower. With an impressive 130 miles per hour wind speed and an airflow of 180 cfm, this electric leaf blower is designed to tackle tough outdoor cleaning tasks. Whether you need to clear debris from your driveway, patio, or garden, this blower gets the job done with ease. Plus, the cordless feature means no more tangled wires or limited range. You can take this blower anywhere around your property without worrying about power outlets. Now, let's dive into the battery life. The JAGROM blower comes with two 2.0 Ah batteries and a fast charger, allowing you to work for over 30 minutes on a full charge. While one battery is in use, the other can be charging, so you never have to stop your work. This makes it perfect for larger properties or extended cleaning sessions. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly stopping to recharge. Another standout feature is the blower's versatility. The JAGROM comes with two tubes that can be swapped easily depending on the height of the task. Use the shorter tube for cleaning railings or tabletops, and switch to the longer tube to reach the ground without bending over. This ergonomic design ensures comfort while you work, reducing strain on your back. At just 2.6 pounds, the blower is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to handle for extended periods. You won't feel weighed down, and the quick assembly means you can get started right out of the box with minimal setup. Lastly, the JAGROM blower is backed by the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction. The package includes the blower unit, two batteries, a charger, and a user manual, along with their 24/7 customer support to help with any issues. Overall, the JAGROM cordless leaf blower is a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-use tool for all your outdoor cleaning needs. Whether you're tidying up your patio, cleaning your car, or maintaining your garden, this is one of the best battery-operated leaf blowers available today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews to help you make the best buying decisions.